Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's your freedom, your comfort, and your safety. But to keep it running smoothly, it needs regular maintenance. Here are 6 very important tasks you can't afford to ignore. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in your engine. If they're worn out, your engine could misfire, leading to reduced performance, lower fuel efficiency, and potential damage. Your transmission keeps your car shifting smoothly. Without proper maintenance, it could lead to costly repairs or even total transmission failure, something you wouldn't wish to happen to your car, you or your family. Your brakes are your lifeline on the road. Neglecting them can result in longer stopping distances, brake fade, and even brake failure. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine. Without regular oil changes, your engine could cease from working, leaving you stranded and facing expensive repairs. A clean air conditioning filter keeps the air inside your car fresh and clean. Neglecting it can lead to reduced cooling efficiency and poor air quality. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, leading to decreased performance and increased fuel consumption. Don't let neglect turn your daily drive into a nightmare. Trust Subsonic's garage to keep your car running smoothly and safely. Schedule your major service today and drive with peace of mind. Contact us for a proper price quotation. All our works come with 3 to 6 months of warranty. We will not keep you hanging.